Experiment 4. Proto-compactation test. Material needs: first spatula, second electronic scale, 3 hammer, 4 proto-mold, 5 tank container, 6 tray, 7 2.5 kg hammer, 8 cement spoon, 9 soil sample, 10 cement containers. The procedure: first, weight the mold with the base plate attached but without the collar. Second, mix 3 kg of test soil with 118 ml of water, and then attach the collar to the mold and compact the soil in 3 equal layers, and then each layer 25 uniformly distribute blow from the rammer, and then the last layer should protrude into the collar. After that, remove the collar and cut the ground level with the top of the mold, and then weight the mold at the base of the soil. Remove the soil from the mold and take a representative sample from moisture content determination, and then mix the extruded soil with the rest of the original sample and add more water, and then repeat the above procedure until this experiment is complete. Example of material needs to do this experiment: weight the cement container first to get the empty weight. Weight the proto mold to get its original weight. Weight the sample sufficiently to obtain a sufficient quantity. Tap the sample with a hammer until it is crushed. Add 118 ml of distilled water to the sample. Add the mixed sample into the proto mold up to half. Tap the sample using a tapping tool as many as 25 taps. Add the sample again until part of the proto mold. Repeat the sample tap 25 times. Put the sample into the proto mold until it is full. Repeat one tap 25 times on the sample. Lift the proto mold into the tray and then flatten the surface of the sample. Weight the proto mold once with the sample to get the weight, and then remove the sample by using a pusher machine to remove the sample. Press down to move the sample up. Take a piece of sample and put it in a can. Weight sample 1 and take the weight reading. And then repeat the same step, but this time add another 120 ml of distilled water. Flatten the sample after tapping 75 times. Weigh and take the weight reading of the sample. Remove the second sample from the proto mold and take a small sample. And then repeat the same for the third sample. 118 ml of distilled water has been added to this sample. Weight after tapping. Weight the third sample and record the weight reading. All 3 samples are ready to be weighed. Put all the samples in the oven and wait a few hours for them to be removed. And then after a few hours, remove the sample from the oven. Weight each sample in the can and record the weight. Lastly, all 3 samples are ready to be weighed and recorded.